Right, welcome back. Continuing on from the last bit where I started to strip down the little mini Moto. I'm now concentrating on the wheels. The rear one I've already masked up, and that's had a thin coating of paint already. So I've just started on the front wheel. So masked up one side, had a light rub down. Just got the other side to do, so I've started masking it up. And then we're going to get that sprayed black. And that's both sides nicely masked off. Had the heating on here for a while, so that should paint should be just good. To start with, I'm just going to apply a thin coat to start with and just build the coats up. Then I'll do a couple of thick wet coats. Now I'll leave that to dry for about 15-20 minutes. Alright, now I'm going to concentrate on this this top end. Basically just get this top clamp off, drop the forks out, give me a real good clean up, and then we'll start reassembly of the front, give the frame a quick clean up around here. And then I can slowly move back through the frame. So let's start getting this broken down. Right, pretty easy on these. 17mm top nut, 18mm bottom nut. To one side. Just top that away. There's top yoke. It's actually in pretty good condition, but I'll just give it a bit of a clean up. It's not really on show because obviously you've got the fairing behind, so it's, I'm just going to leave it as it is. And again, that pops off nicely. Now it's in pretty good condition, so just a quick clean up. Rebuild them back up, pop them back in. So that's the front end back together. All cleaned up. That looks okay. I'll pop the bolt back in for now. Obviously I'll grease that up when it goes back in. Right, that wheel's had about 20 minutes so far. Give it another light coat. There we go. So that's had 2 coats now. Let that dry again, so probably about another 10-15 minutes. Frame, really it's more just a clean up. It's just where it's been sitting for quite some time, it's just got dusty. Just need to tighten the screws on this starter. Right, let's get this front end back in. That's got a bit of fingers and thumbs today. So it is just tighten till it locks and then back 1 turn. So we've got steering on that, that's fine. a bit of a problem, that doesn't feel at all right. Right, managed to sort that out. Basically the jet wasn't actually going in straight, but as you can see by that how that works perfectly. Put these back in, it's quite easy. It's just literally 2 screws. There we go, that's back in. Moving nicely. Fuel hose back on. And spark plug. Hope you can all see that. Very tiny. We have compression, that's a good thing. I've already painted the main seat unit. Still got the fairing lowers. They've still got to be rubbed down, painted. Rear wheel's done, and as you can see, front wheel is drying. I'll give that probably one more coat. That's all for now. Join me again in the next episode where I'll start reassembling, get this engine fired up, and finish off the bodywork, and then we can start applying the graphics to the bodywork, so I can hopefully replicate Nick's bike. So thanks for watching, and see you again in the next episode. Bye.